Tire is a large retailer in Canada. We're considered one of the flagship stores for Canadian Tire. We enjoy 120,000 square foot retail, and we have a 75,000 square foot warehouse that's kind of state of the art for Canadian Tire. It literally just started with a Google search for German Bionic's website, and then had one of the sales reps come up, demonstrate the unit for us, and we fell in love.
With the exosuit, for me it's very interesting. So I used to work in construction. I actually had hurt my back. So having something that helps assist and remove that stress for me I was very interested to get a hands-on view and work with it. So I'm very excited moving forward to see how we can apply it to the use in the store. Everything starts at the back door in receiving. So a lot of that is repetitive motions, loading the pallets onto the conveyor belt. And it can be fatiguing, it can be exhausting. At the end of the day, you're sore, you're tired, you may not want to do much. So anything that helps assist and relieving that stress on the body and put your mind at ease knowing that your job's going to be easier coming in every day.
I think the relationship has been fantastic. Obviously there was a lot of questions in the early stages, so we wanted to know kind of what we were getting into. The German Bionic is fantastic at it, explaining everything to us, kind of walking the guys through at a detailed level, just to make sure everybody has that comfort level with knowing how to use the equipment properly, and understanding the benefits for them has been obviously important for all of us. With a lot of what we do in the back, we carry a mix of goods, as I mentioned. The folks that we have in the back are responsible for and basically handling all those goods. So what we tried to do was, we felt pretty comfortable on the equipment side where we've got the powered conveyor system and things like that. So now we want to reinvest some of that into our team, and then ultimately for us from a business perspective, just help mitigate any injuries by investing in the right equipment and technology to help the folks do their job.